everyone, so we are outside the buried village in Rotorua. This place was part of the Rotorua volcanic eruption and it actually buried an entire village, and this is like they've unearthed the village. So yeah, have a look at it, it's pretty cool.
And apparently there's a really nice waterfall at the end of the water.
Oh, I didn't even know that. Oh, there's a cool waterfall, so stay tuned. Here's a fun fact: the white terraces that used to be here before the earthquakes and the eruption were actually the 8th wonder of the world and the very first New Zealand tourist attraction. And as it says on the board over there, the Maori name for it is Te Tarata. So yeah, come and see this place. There's a lot of history. If you enjoy museums, that sort of thing, it's really, really cool. Check it out. This is a scale size of about 1.5 meters of mud, but some villages around Lake Te Wairoa were buried in up to 15 meters of mud. So here there's a couple of all old blacksmith goodies that they used to stoke the fire, some anvils and so on, some axe heads, that sort of thing. And yeah, it was all buried under the mud. And that's the mud.
Is it true or fake? Is it right or wrong?
So even though we have a map and we're inside a little building that's made out of ferns, we don't quite know where that goes, so we're going to go anyway. Let's check it out. This is an adventure, guys. This is a real adventure. Oh, that's pretty sick. And we're out in the open, next to a massive old redwood tree. That's pretty cool. That's a little experience. Gotta risk it to get the biscuit. So this is pretty remarkable, but wherever they've excavated and stuff, they've taken out like all the possessions that were inside there and they've put them proudly on display.
Good story.
Yeah, so everyone has got like a little plaque of what it is and how it was used and all of that sort of thing. but it's really cool. It's very, very historical here, and as you can see, they've like excavated where the house used to be, that you can physically walk inside it. Obviously they've put up these man-made tarps and everything just to protect it, but look at that, absolutely stunning. This was obviously all mud and it completely flattened the whole village, which was obviously devastating back in the day, but looking back at it, that's amazing heritage for any Maori culture, even the Pakeha culture. And this is where back in the day it was a 5-star hotel, guys. I don't even think they had stars back then, but this used to be a hotel here.
We used to drive around in a forest of concrete, of concrete. You were 2 years older, I was taking the lead while I sat in the backseat. Then we both grew up in time.
So this whole area actually used to be a hotel. Not just this area behind me like I thought. It says here on this little map, I'll put it on the screen now so you guys can have a look at it. But yeah, I'm standing at the fireplace, which is pretty cool. And there's the little bar cellar, which all the wood on the inside there is the original wood from back in the day. Pretty sweet. So this is a Maori house, or a whare, and it was excavated in the 1930s, you said? The late 1930s. Can you imagine living inside here? This is eerie and scary and like, it's tiny. And this is actually the trunks of the fern trees. So this is completely made out of ferns. Obviously they've put in some poles and stuff to help support it, so that it doesn't decay and fall apart. Yeah, it's amazing. As you can see, loads of spiders. That's incredible though. You see how nature's just taking over. This was once a fern tree and it just started growing again. So now there's a fern growing out of his head. Pretty cool. Look at this. Why wouldn't you want to come on a nice walk here? Nice little stream. And we're actually heading to that waterfall that I didn't know about. So stay tuned. Walk is pretty steep, so if you have any knee problems or anything, give it a miss. Go to the viewing point at the top instead. But it's down there, so let's see what this magnificent waterfall looks like. So we're not sure if you can hear us because it's really noisy next to waterfalls, but what a view. What a view. This is amazing, absolutely amazing. Come and visit New Zealand. This just gets better and better. Look at that. Look at that. Can you see that? That's an amazing waterfall, guys. Absolutely unbelievable. Perfect. Oh, what an adventure. So you guys saw the view from the bottom. Now let's check it from the top. So that's our adventure for the day. And what did you think about this?
The walk to the waterfall is hella steep, but very beautiful and very effective.
Yeah, it's incredible. Absolutely breathtaking. You look at it and you think, how the hell can something be this beautiful? I mean, other than my wife, with me getting some browning points there. But yeah, it's unfortunate, but there's actually like a slip or a landslide, as they call it a slip in New Zealand. But the waterfall would have gone down and then come up this route, but there's a slip there, so it's closed. But yeah, so we went down a super steep thing and we had to go up the super steep thing. It's unfortunate, but we just had to do it. So we are exiting the buried village. Thank you everyone for all the support. We really appreciate it. And please, if you guys can, hit the like button, share the video with your friends or your mates or whoever, your family. Maybe you guys want to get some content to watch, but just please share it as much as you can. It helps us to grow our channel. And yeah, we obviously want to start monetizing the Facebook and YouTube scene. So if possible, like it, subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned for the next adventure. Thanks for watching.